Bryan, back with Winning Edge Carwash on another video. Oh man.
Take the next right onto Southwest 141st Lane,
right
then
today.
turn left onto South University Avenue.
Man, I haven't been recording like I'm supposed to.
Take the next left onto South
there's been
University
so much
Avenue.
going on in life, and it sucks because I never want to let things get in the way of like what I got going on. But man, sometimes you do like your whole making sure your mental is straight it's important. You don't want to be
Continue on South University Avenue for
flipping out,
3/4 of a mile.
you know what I'm saying, on people based on what you going through emotionally and stuff like that. So, but we ain't finna get into all that. I do just want to say, you know what I'm saying, hey, if you're feeling some type of way, the best pill you can take, but don't sit in it too long, is take you a nap, get back up, and before you take it, or throughout your day or whatever you're doing, take notes of what's going on, and every day how you move forward. Or what's been working for me is I take notes, and if I'm not getting the results that I'm trying to achieve, then I change the method, change the plan around until I get closer to achieving the goal, and I start seeing results and stuff like that. So, you know what I'm saying, you're gonna get stressed out to the point where you're gonna be like, man, I give up, this and that and that. Don't give up is my main thing that I'm trying to say. And I just want you to take a nap. It can be a 2-hour nap, you know what I'm saying? Or you can just go to sleep for that day and call it a day, you know what I'm saying? But always wake up on progressive movement and just take note of what happened and just keep pushing, you know? So I just want to remind people, yes, I wash cars. This is what I do right now. I'm trying to tap into some other things because, you know, us as humans, if you got something going on about yourself, everybody want to be successful, everybody want to get rich. So of course, why wouldn't I want to get rich? But like at the same time, you know, a lot of people don't even know how to manage not being rich. So, you know what I'm saying? And at the end of the day, if you can manage what you got going on at a lower level, that's more richer than what it is to when you get to a higher level. Because that's why a lot of people get a lot of money and they lose it. And I ain't trying to be one of them, you know what I'm saying? So, trying to get it right here, keep going. And it don't matter what age you at or what's going on. You got a lot of grown kids out here in this world. So, hey man, today is a good day. I'm feeling good. Haven't really been talking on the camera like I used to, and I'm feeling good. I've been working out. I took my vitamins, pre-workout, my protein shake. I'm running slightly late this morning. Y'all know it's the weekends. I've expressed plenty of times how much I hate the weekends, but we finna go get this money, turn up, you know what I'm saying? I got this one, I actually got 2 new customers that I'm doing this today. You know, it's Memorial Day weekend, but I haven't been really doing the physical labor so much in the business, which has been great. My guys Joe and Mikkel have been wonderful, you know what I'm saying? And I've been trying to make it so sweet for them, because I always tell people, like, you know, if you around me, like, don't be a crab in the bucket. Don't like, if you got people helping you out, don't like jump on their back trying to get to the top or whatever. But you know what I'm saying? What I try to do is build people up from where they at, you know what I'm saying, so that they can get where I'm at, speak light into their situation so that they can get where I'm at, you know what I'm saying? And not saying that I'm on some super successful level, but I am to a point where, like, hey, you know, I got a couple guys working for me, I'm a business owner, I'm making good money, and I'm trying to go to the next level, you know what I'm saying? So I always, like, you know what I'm saying, speak light into people's situations so that, you know, if they're not on that level, they can get to my level. And then you never know, like I was telling somebody that the other day, you never know, they might know somebody who see that you are, you know, showing people how to fish, and then they show you how to catch even bigger fish, you know what I'm saying? So, and then on the top of that, you know, this what, like my dad used to say it too, you know, this ain't something that was of me. Like, you know, God gave me this talent, God gave me this mindset, all that good stuff, you know what I'm saying? And I know that he's still shaping, molding me, and I appreciate it, you know. And hey, All praise to the Most High, and it's for me to pass it along to other people. You know what I'm saying? So that's where I get kind of like my motivation from and whatnot, because we are children of God. So hey, but in the meantime, in between time, it's hot. The sun is shining, and I got my hater blockers on, so it's time to block out the haters and get it on, and that's what we on today. So hey man, y'all stay tuned. We're about to go get this money, all that good stuff. You know what time it is. Winning Edge Carwash, baby. Alright guys, we done arrived over here at the location. I had already got the generator and stuff started. Gonna take you around this 250 Infinity. Got this thing right here. Try to show y'all the difference. It's not horribly dirty, but you know, it's simple. Rims need to get clean. And right here we got like the inside. We're gonna get all that stuff out of there. Get all this dirt out of the mats and stuff, cup holders. This gonna be a starter detail. It's like a good detail to where we get everything back to looking new, get it wiped down properly, but it's not in a horrible condition state, so we'll be able to get everything situated without having to charge the customer a whole lot of money. Oh damn, got some scuba diving gear. Gonna get all these leaves and stuff out of here. And same thing over here. Gonna get all this dirt out of the creases. Actually, this not dirt. This is actually some glue or something, but we do have some dirt in the cracks and crevices. Over here, go ahead and get that closed up. But yep, same thing. So, and we're gonna get all the fingerprints and stuff. I don't know how well y'all can see that. Get all this stuff out, but hey man, I'm about to go ahead and get the thing started. Y'all see how monster truck the Frontier this morning, we parked on the curb, y'all. But all right, cool. So bet I'm gonna go ahead and knock this thing out. This is what I do, show y'all the after. I'm not gonna go through the whole process of showing y'all the work in progress today, because I'm on the move and I'm trying to get it in. So I'll get back with y'all in just a second. What's up my peoples, we back. Yeah, just finished up the Q50. About to take y'all around it, let you check it out, see what's popping. That's what we working with. Y'all can see the wheels all nice and glistening outside. Got that high quality wash and wax. Yes sir. All right, so this is the outside. We're gonna take you on the inside. Y'all make sure y'all hit up Winning Edge Carwash. Check us out, man. If you're not in the area, like, share, and subscribe so we can get right. Y'all can see all the dirt missing. It's gone. Cup holder area looking great. All the dust gone. And all the like cracks and crevices. This is the part of getting the detail, y'all. It's out of there. And y'all can see the leather is cleaned and conditioned, all that good stuff. All the dirt missing from the interior. So this the quality that you get when you call Winning Edge Carwash. We have all those 5-star ratings for a reason, so it's what we own, it's what we do. All right, y'all. So that's another job, adding it to the books. Y'all know what we do. Hit us up, about to get a customer out here. Hopefully I can get them on camera, but you never know. But hey man, y'all got to see the before and the after. I have to pick up all this stuff. It don't take much to get all that done, so. All right, y'all, we got everything put up. As you can see, take like minutes to get that done. Right now, I'm about to just waiting on the customer, really. Just getting myself ready to go to the next job. So, gonna get the truck crunked up so it could cool off. Get these glasses off and the mask off. Oh, they got a Bluetooth. Put the glasses on. Yeah. All right, y'all. So we ready to go. We packed up. We got 3 things to do at the next location. Hopefully I'll show y'all that, and we'll keep it going. So we take care of their business.